Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's video is regarding how to prepare dahi wada curry. So let's see the ingredients. We need one garlic clove, zeera and little of zeera powder, dried chilies, then two large onions paste, dahi, and 2 spoon of flour and salt, chili powder, haldi, and little of coriander powder, coriander leaves. Here you need curry leaves and also these poppy seeds, and 1 spoon of ginger paste, and 5 large tomatoes. Heat oil, add curry leaves and rye, and add the crushed garlic cloves and stir it well. At this point add zeera powder, dried chilies and stir it well. So next you need to add garlic paste. Now add the 2 onions last paste. We can make it paste. Okay, and stir it for 2 minutes on high flame. Then add this coriander powder, mirch powder and haldi powder. Add salt according to your taste. Add coriander leaves at this point. Don't put it last. And then next, this one you can gram flour, you can use it while you put tomato paste. So now let's stir this. Now put tomato paste, 5 large tomatoes. You can add this gram flour 2 tablespoons and stir it for 2 minutes. Then add curd. Now add curd. So I have used 2 large cups. You can use half liter or less than half liter also, according to your recipe. Now you need to add water. So you need to add more water. Okay, and let it boil. Cover the lid and let it boil. We'll now prepare the vada. Now let's start making vada. So this is a paste of urad dal, which you need to soak 1 hour or 2 hours. Now you need to add 2 spoons of chili powder, salt as per the taste, and little of soda powder. Okay, so let's fry it till it gets golden brown. Let it be crispy, then we'll add into a salan. Now add the fried vadas into the curry. Here. Add it. So I have added some 12 of them. Now at this point, off the stove and close it. So remaining will make the dahi vada. So let's start. Now add this fried vadas into the water leave it for 10 to 15 minutes for dahi vada. So let's now make dahi. This dahi you need to add 2 tablespoons of sugar and stir it. So let's add sugar and stir it. Requires chaat masala, chili powder and salt.